Hey everyone, this is Lucy from KBeautyHobbit.com. It's finally fall, and one of the best things about fall, other than the weather finally cooling off, is the Stylevana advent calendar. I have this year's calendar here. There will be spoilers in this video. I will tell you right before we start with the spoilers. But for the last couple of years, I've done these unboxing videos. The contents are always a surprise to me before I open it. I have no idea what's in it. What I do know is that this year they're doing a pre-launch and an actual launch, and because you're one of my viewers, you get to participate in the pre-launch sale. So before it's available to the public, that starts on September 13th. I will put link in the description box. You can also use my affiliate code INF10KBH, which is also going to be in the description box, to get 15% off on the calendar, and you'll get free shipping. I definitely recommend getting these early because they sell out every year and the value is really, really good. The calendar will be retailing for $209.99 USD. It's about a 29% savings versus buying these things individually. And again, the pre-sale starts today, September 13th, and then the actual sale for the general public will be on October 13th. This is quite heavy and big. It came packaged really nicely in a bubble wrap and then inside a box, and then now we have this paper sleeve that kind of holds everything together. Here is the box. The theme this year is MVP, most value for price, meaning that you don't have to spend a fortune to find your beautiful self. There's a magnetic closure sort of flap here and then individual boxes inside. I'm going to set it up a little bit behind me, just like I did last year, and then let's get into it. If you don't want any spoilers, now is your chance to stop watching. Just go ahead to the description box, grab that link for the pre-sale, get the code, go shopping, and give somebody an amazing gift or even yourself. These do make really good self-gifts. Number one, little paper there for safe shipping. But this is the Mary & May Vegan Niacinamide Panthenol Sun Cushion, SPF 50. I have not tried this, so this is brand new to me. Looks like this. It's really pretty. Love that sun, and I like the size of this because sometimes when traveling, I like a little bit bigger mirror for makeup purposes. Number two, Frudia. Looks like a lip product. I think this, okay, yes, Mango Honey Sleep Lip Mask by Frudia. Let's see it. Don't smell anything. Okay. It's pretty thick. Looks like it would be nourishing. I would put it on my lips right now, but I have lipstick on. It feels really nice. I've never seen a lip sleeping mask in a tube, or I have not owned a sleeping mask in a tube, so this is new for me. The reason I'm carefully replacing every little box is because last year, this is made so well, the packaging itself, it really didn't feel right to just throw it out. So I gave my oldest kid a choice if she wanted a store-bought advent calendar or if she wanted me to just reuse the Stylevana box and fill every little box myself with something that I thought she might like. She chose that option, so we had kind of a multi-purpose box last year from this. Number three is the TM Vita B3 Source Niacinamide Serum. I've actually had this before, and I really, really like it. I have a review on my blog, KBeautyHobbit.com. I feel like this made a really big difference in pigmentation on my skin. So I'm really happy for a restock because I haven't had it since the packaging change. But this, I think, is the same product that I had before. Number four is a really big one. Okay. Oh, it's a big box, but inside is VT Riedel Shot 100. Cica Riedel. The Riedel Shot formula refines tough skin and dead skin to make natural, good skin. This is totally new to me. I've never even heard of it. So I will be researching it a little bit before using it. I'm not sure how to use it, but Stylevana usually has usage instructions on their website, so I'll be looking this one up. Number five. Oh, that's one of my favorites. This is Purito Deep Sea Pure Water Cream. And Purito is like the OG for me. I love, 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 love Purito. And there used to be a time in my life where I've tried every single launch that they've had, but it's no longer the case because they have a lot more launches now. But I've used their products since when they have just 3 serums, and that was their entire lineup. Now they have so much stuff, but this is really exciting, and one of my friends really, really likes this too, so maybe I'll share it with her. Number 6. Haru Haru Wonder Centella ACE Beautiful Miracle Healing Multi-Balm. Looks like this. Totally new to me product. I like Haru Haru a lot, and they hold some awards for their packaging. Wow, this is really nice and big. Has a little bit of a scent to it. So I will be trying these things in time and putting up reviews on KBeautyHobbit.com, but if there's anything today that you see that you're like, I would really love a review on that thing, maybe sooner rather than later, let me know, leave me a comment, and I will try to accommodate to the best of my ability. Number 7. This is really fun. I love this. It's not close to Christmas yet for me. I'm filming this a little bit in advance, obviously, but it feels like Christmas today. This is one of my absolute favorite sunsticks ever. This is the Cynic Sunstick, and Stylevana was who introduced me to it in the first place. I've gone hiking in July, which I don't necessarily recommend doing, but I've gone hiking in July using just this for the application, and it worked so well. I mean, this is great, and I'm really fair, as you can tell probably. I burn really easily, never had a sunburn with this, so super happy for a restock. Number 8. Ooh. Oh, I know these. I had a little sample of these. This is Goodall Vita C Eye Gel Patch with green tangerine. It's a really good variety of products so far. Definitely very giftable. Number 9. Makeup. I was hoping for a little more makeup because so far we just had the cushion. This is I'm Meme Pep Balm Fingertip. I actually had one of these. I don't know if it's the same color. Sorry, it looks like this. But basically it looks like a little paint tube. I'm not going to swatch it for you here because the one I had was very, very pigmented and it's going to stain my hand for a little bit, but I still have to unbox everything else. But I was pretty happy with the formula. I hope that this is a different color than the one I had so I can try it. 10 is really large. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Another oldie but goodie. This is the Petit Fille Hydrogel Eye Patches. These were one of the very first eye patches that I've ever tried, so they hold a special place in my heart. Number 11. Isntree Chestnut AHA 8% Clear Essence. I haven't tried that one. A little tip, if you have any problems with your body skin, don't be afraid to use face products on your body, including gentle exfoliants, because you will probably see quite a bit of difference. Number 12. I am so happy for this. Okay, this is a restock for me. I love these. These are Japanese SPF lip balms. They are so good. This one is SPF 20, and then it has like a really faint tint to it, but it doesn't look like lipstick or lip gloss. It just looks like a tinted lip balm. But I love these because almost every Western formula that I've tried for lip SPF has left a white cast on my lips, but these do not. They just look really, really good. And if you get the untinted version, then there's no color, no white cast, nothing at all. They just feel like a really nice lip balm and then have the SPF in them. Number 13. We're making progress. Romand Hand All Fix Mascara. New to me. LO2 Long Ash is the color. Romand makes some of my favorite lip makeup products, so this should also be good, hopefully. Number 14 is so cute. Look at it. It's a little Heimish Mandarin All Clean Balm. So I tried earlier this year the Heimish Mandarin and the original clean balms, and I like the Mandarin more. But I just ran out, actually, of all of my cleansing oils and cleansing balms in my bathroom, so I'm going to open this right now and I'm going to just start using it tonight. But this one is like a smaller version, because usually they're about this big, and this one is smaller. It's so cute, the little balm, little baby, and it has the spatula, and then that's what it looks like. It's really easy to use, and I prefer this one, like the smell of it, to the original. Let's see. Yeah, it's nice and creamy and fresh. And it did a good job. I've used up this one just recently. Number 15. Ooh, this has been on my wish list, and this is going to be probably one of the first things that I try. These are some by me, look like travel sizes of retinol reactivating serum and the retinol intense advanced triple action eye cream. Years ago, when I was just getting into Kbeauty, retinol was not a super common thing in Kbeauty, but it is more common now, and I'm really pleased with that because retinol is one of the best things you can do, in my opinion, for anti-aging, for pigmentation care. Here's the eye cream. Oh, it's like a little fluffy cloud. And it's so light. Oh, that feels so good. And it smells really nice. It smells like expensive perfume or like a spa product, but not really strong. Okay, yes, this is going into my to try immediately pile. 16. Oh, makeup. I love makeup. Rire Luxe Liquid Shadow in the color number 1 Nude Glam. It's an interesting color name. Looks like this, really sparkly. Okay, let's try it on this hand because I still have a little bit of that cream on the other one. Smells a little bit, but look, it's so sparkly. Feels really nice. It feels light but creamy, and there was no friction applying it, so it should feel good on the eyes as well. Number 17 is another bigger one. Oh, Farmstay Eau de Perfume Hand Cream Forest Moonlight, a luxurious scent from Nietzsche's perfume. I've been getting into perfumes quite a bit lately, so it's like they read my mind. Haven't tried this one. If you tried it, let me know how it went for you. Number 18. Oh, it's nice and heavy. Probably glass. This is Numbuzine number 3 Skin Softening Serum. Have not tried it. Don't have anything to say about it yet. 19. Non-sticky. What is this? It's a tint. Light and comfy texture, shimmer and glossy lip tint, vegan and cruelty-free from Unleashia. I'm probably not pronouncing this correctly. This brand has been all over my Instagram feed, and they make the most gorgeous sparkly things. This is in the color number 3 Glow Day. A good fall color or winter color, probably. We're almost done, and I'm kind of sad because I really like opening stuff because it's like Christmas. Number 20, one of my other OG favorite brands, Manufacture. They used to be called Manufacture, now they're just Manu. This is their Bifida Biome Complex Ampule. I haven't tried anything of theirs in a long time. They had a whole rebranding or like repackaging everything, so I'm curious to see how that goes. Number 21. Well, I already know I love this one because I currently have it in my bathroom almost empty. This is the Beauty of Tristan Revive Eye Serum Ginseng and Retinol. It has a really cool pump dispenser. It's very easy to apply. It can be used all over the face. Super gentle. Really light but still nourishing. I can't say enough good things about it. If you're considering a retinol cream, this is a really good one. 22. A Bee Bryce Probiotics Overnight Mask. Not a new to me brand. They make really good cheap masks, but a new to me product, so stay tuned for the review. 23. Oh, there are 2 things in here, and I know one of them. There's hair care in here. Okay, hold on. There we go. Some of those little fluffy things are getting stuck. Okay, this one's new to me. L'Adore Snail Sleeping Hair Ampule. Looks like this. And then this one's not new to me. This is a really good product, and I actually don't even have to look at the product name because I know what this one is. This is the L'Adore Scalp Scaling Ampule, and it is basically the best scalp exfoliator I've ever used. It basically does a really good deep clean of the scalp, and I used to go through these regularly, but then I haven't had them for a while, so try them again. This is it. This is the last one. Just like the first box, this one is kind of gold looking. Well, they finished it off with probably my absolute top recommended sunscreen that I recommend to other people, because this is a perfect sunscreen for people who hate sunscreen. This is a perfect sunscreen for people who love sunscreen. This is Skin 104 Hyaluronic Sun Serum. Don't even have to look at the name. I recognize the box. This is so good. Do you know how I know this is good? Because I regularly replace the empty tubes of this in my husband's bathroom and in my daughter's bathroom, because they have their own bottle each. It has a really awesome pump dispenser. It does not have a white cast. It can be like a little bit dewy, but more natural, and it does not make you shiny or greasy or anything. It's so good, so good. And the highlight of my year, my trip to Vegas last year, I did not burn at all with all of this fairness going on, and this is the sunscreen that I took with me. I've had many tubes of it since then. If I have a friend or a coworker who does not use sunscreen, I gasp and clutch my pearls, and then I recommend them this one because it's so good. So what a perfect way to end this really awesome advent calendar. As we were talking and opening the calendar together, I've been putting everything in a crate over here. So this is everything that was in the calendar. Look at all of that, and some of it is even more than one layer deep. There's stuff on the bottom. So really good value, a really fun gift, 29% savings over the retail price of all of these things individually, a really good variety of skincare and makeup and the different kinds of skincare. You have everything from cleansers to sunscreens. And even for somebody like me who owns and tries and does this for a living with Kbeauty, I mean, I try so many things. Still, most of what's in here is completely new to me. So I'm personally also really excited. Thank you very much, Stylevana, for sending this to me. And thank you for giving all of my viewers, all of you guys, an opportunity to shop early if you decide to do so, because again, these things sell out every year. And if you are a type A, very organized and somewhat anxious shopper, get your stuff early. Being able to order in the middle of September in time for the holidays just gives me personally such good peace of mind, because even if there's slightly longer shipping or any sort of little delay, or maybe the carrier is taking their time, you'll still have everything in time for the holiday. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this was fun. I hope you saw some stuff that piqued your interest. If you tried any of these and you want to share your own experiences, please leave me a comment. But you can find me on Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, my blog KBeautyHobbit.com, and in my private Facebook group Korean Beauty Fanatics. We are at 89,000 now, and we might be way more than that by the time this video is live. Check out the description box for that special link. The discount code INF10KBH for your 15% off. And if you get one of these, let me know and let me know what you think. Thank you so very much. Hope to see you in my next video. Until then, please remember to always listen to your skin. Thank you so much. Bye.